In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Loop in Teams meetings. We'll set up a collaborative meeting space in Loop that your team can co-edit during your Teams calls, keeping notes, agenda items, and tasks in one live document. Start by opening your browser and searching for Microsoft Loop. From the results, select the official Microsoft Loop page under Microsoft 365. On that page, choose Get Started with Loop. Sign in with your Microsoft account or create one if you're new. If this is for work, it's best to use your organizational account so your teammates can access everything with the right permissions. Once you're in Loop, create a new workspace or open an existing one that fits your project. Workspaces help you keep related pages together, so name it clearly so others can find it later. With your workspace open, head to the template gallery. Templates save time by giving you a ready-made layout designed for meetings. Pick a meeting-focused template that matches your needs, then click Use Template. This will create a page you can customize for your upcoming Teams meeting. Begin by adding a clear topic or title at the top so everyone knows the purpose of the session. Next, fill in the attendees section. You can list participants, and if your template supports it, tag people to signal ownership or visibility. This makes it easy to see who's in the room, virtually or otherwise. Move on to the agenda area and edit it with the specific discussion points you plan to cover. Keep items concise and ordered by priority, and add rough time boxes if that helps your facilitation. As you refine the agenda, break work into tasks. Add tasks for follow-ups, decisions, or prep work. Assign owners and due dates where available, and keep task names action-oriented. Tasks in Loop are designed for clarity and accountability so your team can track progress after the meeting without duplicating effort. When your page looks good, click Share. Choose link settings that balance security and convenience. Typically, people in your organization with the link is a safe default. Copy the share link so your team can open the page. During your Teams meeting, anyone with access can view and co-edit this Loop page in real time, capturing notes under each topic, updating the agenda as things shift, and checking off tasks as decisions are made. Everything stays in sync, so there's one source of truth before, during, and after the call. That's it. Your collaborative Loop workspace is ready to power smoother, more accountable Teams meetings.